Hey guys, this is Jad here. So today we're gonna try to fix the Keel Guard for my boat, and just gonna show you what I'm doing. Here, this is peeling off like that. So what I'm doing is I'm gonna scrape all of the glue off, and then once it's off, then I'm just gonna go and use 5-minute epoxy on it. It's 5-minute glue, so I'm just gonna put it in there between. Then I'm gonna use just create pressure like this and hold it in place. I'm just gonna do per sections. I'm not gonna do the whole thing at once. So ideally I'm gonna start from the top here. Once I put glue here, I'm gonna create pressure here with a jack or something for 5-10 minutes. When I think it's already dry and it's glue, then I will go ahead and move down all the way up to here to fix it. Alright, it's been about 3 hours since I glue the guard back, and it's looking pretty good. So yes, it's not clear, it's white, but I'm planning on repainting the boat, so that doesn't matter right now because that's gonna get painted over. But so far it's like really good. It's glue into it here. So what I end up using was this Gorilla Glue heavy duty ultimate, which is good for pretty much everything, including fiberglass. So far it's working great. So I end up taking the whole thing off on this side, and then just reglue the whole keel. Alright guys, well, thank you for watching. Hope it helps. But yes, this is what I got. So far so good, and I still got some left that I will use for other things on board. Have any questions or anything, just leave a comment. Alright, see ya.